email address is essential, and you need them to create social media accounts, sign up for various online services, subscribe to a newsletter, etc. However, now everyone is concerned about their security and privacy, and no one wants to provide their email address to third-party services. That's why you must choose to use a disposable email address. Disposable email address sites allow users to create a temporary email address. These email addresses are valid for only a few minutes, and after that, it gets deleted. There are many disposable temporary email services available that you can choose from anyone. I will show you my favorite, which is temp-mail.org. Let me show you. I want to use this website for some time. But to use this website, I need to give my email address. Now, I will use a temporary email service to get a temporary email address. I will open temp-mail.org. It will give me one email address. Now, I will copy this email and will use on that website. Now, after providing my temp email and other details, it will send me a verification link on my temporary email inbox. Now, I can confirm email and I am ready to use that website. And for that website, I am valid user. Now, that temporary email address is self-delete after a certain time elapses. Did you see how temp-mail is the most advanced throwaway email service that helps you avoid spam and stay safe? So, start using it and save your inbox from spam. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.